Good morning, everyone. Myself, Saloni Darji, Sales Executive from Wan Buffer Services. Welcome all of you to our exciting webinar on Odoo Sales and Marketing Workflow Automation. Okay, so let's get started. What is automation? Automation is just us in simple term. If we explain, automation is technology or use of a software which can reduce your repetitive task and make your process optimize. Okay, like let's see why it matters a lot. Like in the today's competitive world, in today's competitive market, if we want to stay ahead with this, we need efficiency and consistency. For that, Odoo automation will help you a lot. Through that, you will gain the efficiency, which will create the reliability for your cost saving. Is it is reduce the manual efforts and scalability to growth your business. So let's get started. How Odoo can help you with this? Here is the Odoo dashboard screen. Now, we all know email marketing is the most traditional marketing strategy used by most of the businesses. Now, with Odoo, you can automate that process as well. Let's see how it can. Here is the Odoo marketing automation, where you can create different campaigns and their automation rules. Here, the one which I have created here is sales and marketing automation workflow, right? You need to write down the campaign name. You need to select the responsible person. Now, what is your target audience? You can choose mailing contacts, accounts, your leads, opportunity. You can add any of this. Now we have an option here for filters. This filter will help you to uh, target the audience which you wanted to send an email specifically. You will get an option for mailing list, names, companies, and many more. Here we will add one option which is called verifier. What email verifier works, it will give you it will send emails which are verified and valid, so you can reach out to the right customer over there. This has been made by Wen Bufferian, which is called Pluggy. Pluggy is the first marketplace verifier connector for Odoo. Now you will get the record number of records which are already valid. So here you can see we have a 202 records available. Now the new option here we have is how many emails you wanted to send per day. This email limit will help to boost your efficiency of your domain, and you can select the time zone, on which time zone you wanted to send the emails. Here we have sent a limit of 20. So through this you can send 20 emails per day. So let's get started with the new activity. What is the workflow automation? So we have created this first activity, which is you need to name the activity. Here we have mentioned the email, introduction email. You need to choose the activity which is called email. Now select the mail template and where you wanted to trigger this email. Here I have set 1 hour after beginning of the workflow. So suppose if I have created this workflow at 12 o'clock, this will revert, this trigger will after 1 p.m. Okay, you can set the filters here as well and just need to click onto the save. Now, here we'll have an option for the child activity. Suppose if any user will open your email on that time, which activity you wanted to trigger. So here we have assign an activity for open email after 3 hours. So once your user will open the email, this second email will trigger just after 3 hours. If you wanted to send an activity for reply, if suppose some user will reply on your email and you wanted to send an action, you can reply email. If you have added any link of your domain, your profile or your portfolio, you can set an activity for that as well. Now here you have action. Where is automation? So we have received the emails. If suppose your users create an opportunity, if your users select and open your email and interested to work with you. So here the next thing which we have created is, if suppose your user, if you're satisfied with this action, like after 2 or 3 emails, if they are interested or they are reply, so what we're going to do, we can create a server action for this. So we can create a server action once your user will open an email. What you need to do, just create on the server action, and here what we did, create a crm entry. So once your user will select this email or open this email, it will be directed, created an opportunity into your Odoo crm. This will be triggered just 1 hour after your email has been opened. This is called the server action automation. So once your any user will open the email, and if they are your prospect is interested, that entry will be lead into the crm. This is all the Odoo workflow automations. Okay. You will get analytics of it. You will get a reporting option where you can link the traces if you wanted to, how many campaigns you have sent, their opening ratio you will get here. You will get the option how many emails you have sent. You will get an option to how many percentage open or clicked, how many replies you want received, how many emails has been bounced. This all the analyticals you will receive here. Now the next thing, website is the most crucial part for every business, and how you can, your users can create a lead or whatever their inquiry submitted to your website, how you can convert into the lead. So let's get started. So this is the website which has been created with Odoo itself, and in just 4 minutes, if you wanted to see this, you can check out our social media platform and you can see how we have created this. So let's get back to the contact us. Here you will get an edit option available. Okay, just if you click on to the edit option, yeah, you will get the customization available in the left hand side. Just click on to the desired section you want, and here you will get an option in the form section that you can convert this into the opportunity. This what will happen, any of the user will enter an inquiry from your website that will receive on your email, but it will be hectic if you wanted to just check out your emails and convert into the opportunity or doing manual entries. So to remove this, we can directly create an opportunity from this. So whatever details they are filling over here, that will be reflected to your website. So let's fill out this form. Okay, here I have submitted the form. Okay. Your form has been submitted. So where you will receive this entry. So here is the CRM pipeline. When you go to the lead section, the inquiry which we have submitted with all the details has been created here in the CRM section. Now, what if your users will have a conversion on the live chatbot? So Odoo have a live chatbot option as well. So how you can automate from there, whatever the inquiries and the conversation has happened in the live chat, you wanted to convert this into the opportunity. For that, here you have an option of live chatbot. So in that, you need to just integrate the channel of your website, and you can create, if you click onto the configuration, you have an option for channel rules where you just need to add whatever the chatbots you have created. When you want to do chatbots created, in the configuration option, you will get a chatbot creation available. So this is how you can just add the questions, their types, and everything. So here you need to write down the message, whatever the message has been. If you wanted to convert this into the text, question, if email, phone number, forward to the operator, this multiple option available. And here the key is you can create this into a lead. So let's see how it will create a lead from your website chatbot. So here is the chatbot available. So here we have an option how I can help you. Just looking forward to the Odoo developer. I just click on to the Odoo developer. Next thing is Sure, how many years of experience Odoo developer is required. So now here you will get an option available. Just it's loading, wait for few minutes. Yes, here you will get an option how many experience resource you want. Just I have clicked onto the 3 years experience. Okay, required for how many duration? Duration is also important. I have clicked on 6 month duration. So it will be have a message. Let's kindly drop your email ID. So I just drop my email ID here, and they will revert back to me manually. Okay. So here the chatbot conversation is ended, and let's see how it has been reflected into your CRM. What we need to do, go to the lead section. Here, administrator lead has been created. Okay, this is the email ID which I have mentioned is here. Whatever the conversation happened on the chatbot, you will get all the details in the internal notes section. Now, what happen if you will have everything in the pipeline available? You have plenty of leads available through website, marketing automation, or a live chat. Now, how to manage your CRM and automation action in your sales pipeline or CRM? Let's see how it works. So in the CRM, you will get an option for leads. Who are your prospect or website form submission is mentioned here. Okay, what you need to do, just convert this into the opportunity. Why we have did this? Because many of the spam emails and inquiries have come up from live chat or website form submission, so you can manually identify them and convert into the opportunity if they are reliable to your technology and company's requirement. So what we're going to do, we can just convert this into the opportunity. Here you have an option to conversation action if you wanted to create a new opportunity or if you wanted to merge with the existing client. So we have selected the convert this opportunity. Now you can select the team here, and you can select the salesperson who are responsible to manage this lead further. You can link with the existing customer, you can create the new customer. This is how it's going to work. Just click on to the create an opportunity, and it will reflected into your sales pipeline. Let's see how the sales pipeline will look. Okay, so the lead has been created into the sales pipeline, into the new stage. Let's convert this to into the pipeline. We can convert this opportunity, link with the existing customer if already has been. We have convert this opportunity. Okay, this opportunity has been created, which has been set up from the website. Okay, now if you wanted to change the title name, if you wanted to change anything, expected closing, extra information is also available if you wanted to add their company related information. Now, what happened if this lead has been come up from any marketing campaign, any medium or source, that will be reflected here. Now what happened if we can convert this or move to the next stage, which is called the qualification? So here we have created some new rules or automation rules which can convert this thing. So let's see how we can create the automation rule. What you're going to do, here you will get an option for automation. Here we have created 3 stages. Once your lead has been in the new stage, there are 2 activities has been created. One is the get the client details and send a welcome email to the client. So how you can create this? You just need to click the name, whatever the name you wanted to the automation rule, where it wanted to be created. Okay, when this has to be triggered, and you need to select the model, whether it's a lead and opportunity, whether it's an account or sales order. You can create that. Here we have select the stage is set to new. If the select stage is set to new, we have create an activity. you can create some actions. Here you will have an option to update the record, send an email, send SMS, add followers if you wanted to, remove the followers, create the new record, execute the code. This kind of an actions are already available. So for this I have selected an activity type which is called to do, and I have titled the name, and the due date has been 1 day. Okay, and a specific user, and I have also mentioned the responsible person for the same. This is how I have created two different stages. When its stage is set to qualification stage, so we can add the follower, which is the administrator, or we can say the manager in the hierarchy, which is called Wan Buffer. Then I have created a new activity, which is called approve the requirement from the admin. So whatever the activity and responsible person activity has been created, they will get a notification in this section. So what are the activities have for them day to day, and then we have an option to update the stage. So when we have created a stage or moved to the qualification, it will come to the proposition part and send the quotation automatically. For that we have the quotation automation here created. What you're going to do, just click onto the qualification stage. Sorry for some technical error. Okay, when this is come into the new stage, so you can see in the activity section, there is an activity has been created for the responsible person to get the client details, approve the client requirement. These are the stages and activities has been created from here. Now I have moved this into the qualification section. Extremely sorry for the technical error. So here you will get an option to create the quotations for particular users in the pipeline and activity section. So let's see where these are created. So one which I have already created, let me show you to that, as we are facing something related to technical issue. In the quotation part, we have created an automation action for that. If we click onto the qualification section, it will change to the move to the stage proposition and create the quotation automatically. For that, what you need to do, just need to manage the automation rule from here. Okay, here we have an option for Odoo automation, which we have received from the website. Okay, what you need to do, click on to the qualification section. But here we don't have any product available. That's why the qualification stage has been come up with an error. Let's create something new from the website. A new inquiry. Let's create a new inquiry from the website, and let's convert further. Well, let's go to the sales order section. So, sales order. Okay, this is the lead which we have created from the website just right now. Odoo developer with 3 years of experience and 6 months of duration. So, this is the quotation we have received okay, and created automatically from the lead or CRM section through the automation. What you need to do, just send this by email. Here you will get an option. If you wanted to send the quotation, just lead the template you wanted to send, the order confirmation, send quotation, and this will be send it to the respective customer. PDF quotation PDF will also generated. Now, whatever the person responded through this, their activity is already has been already come up into this section, which is called the log note. If we click onto the confirm order, it will create the sales order. And you can just click onto the create invoice and you will good to go. So this is all about the automation rules. Hope you had this session insightful. Please reach out to us if you have any inquiries. Thank you so much for joining this session.